Om. 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 Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurve Namah. Dhyanamudam Guru Murti, Puja Mudam Guru Padam, Mantramudam Guru Vakya Moksha Mudam Guru Kupa. अखंडमंडलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ गं गणपते नमः। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। हरि ओम तत्सत्। हरि ओम। Today we are celebrating International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day started many years before our Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and yoga has become very popular throughout the world, and more than 200 countries are practicing yoga. Every country, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jews, all kind of people, yoga. Yoga is a science of joy, science of happiness, science of love, science of unity, science of harmony. Now yoga become popular only doing hatha yoga, physical exercise, asana, this third leap. Aim, niyam, asana, pranam, dhyan, dharana, samadhi. But asana means physical posture, and that become very popular in the West, and that's the practice yoga. The most of the people, they do asana, they doing exercise, hatha yoga, and they call it yoga. It's nothing to do, it's okay, it's good. But I will tell what of my heart, what I practiced more than 60 years. I learned from yoga from my Guru Satyananda Paramahansa, and his Guru is Dr. Swami Shivananda Saraswati Brahma Rishikesh. Yoga is a blessing for the world, to unite it, to bring all persons together for physical, mental, emotional, psychological problem. But yoga is not only solve the problem, physical, mental, emotional, but yoga give blissful life, peaceful life. Understand infinite peace is within you, joy is within you. So we have to follow the path of simple living, high thinking. Life is a wonderful blessing. God has sent us in this planet to do some divine work. According to the Vedic tradition, there are 4 principal basic: Artha, Kama, Dharma, Moksha. Artha means obtain the prosperity, the money, to fulfill your Kam means desire. Whatever you desire, you need it fulfilled. And people do Artha and Kama. They collect the money and fulfill the desire. But desire is unending cycle. Desire and wish never fade. But God give what you needed. God exactly give what you needed. Artha, Kama, Dharma and Moksha. Dharma means duty of individual person. What is the duty of each and every person? The duty of Swami, the teacher, the Guru, the mother, the father, the brother, president, the prime minister. Duty, that dharma, what is the dharma? Right dharma you do. Duty of mango tree, every mango come give the selflessly mango give everyone. Nature give us the divine mother, earth mother give everything what we need it. Then why man is unhappy, sad, man is imbalanced? Because he is not giving proper food to the soul. We give food to the body, food to the senses, eyes looking, ear listening, mouth talking, mind thinking, intellect analyze. We do in a gross level, but higher meaning of yoga, to understand who is living within you. That Atman, individual soul Atman, and Paramatma, cosmic being. The practicing and following yoga according to the tradition of Sankaracharya, the Guru of Guru. The yoga started thousands of before Lord Shiva, and his first disciple considered Parvati, Shiva and Shakti, Mahadeva and Parvati. Again, Lord Krishna, he teach all kind of tool yoga to his first disciple Arjuna. If you understand really meaning of yoga and practicing, you have to read, understand the Bhagavad Gita, the song of joy. Every aspect. Vishad Yoga, when the man is in disturbed, in balance, in the every circumstances. Then he teach the Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raj Yoga, Sankhya Yoga. The yoga means union with harmony, balanced personal life. If you practice yoga, speak the truth, Satyam Vadam. If you practice yoga, Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. Remember the Lord Buddha. He used to say, follow the middle path. Don't go too much extreme. Love and compassion. The teaching of Lord Jesus. So all the great master, the incarnation come, so man can live happy and peaceful life. So following the path of yoga means man life peaceful, joyful, happy, contentment. Circumstances make you unhappy, sadness, situation will come. But you have healthy mind, healthy body, healthy emotion, healthy understanding, you can conquer the ego situation. If you follow the path of yoga, balanced personality, personality with harmony, tranquility, calmness. A car without a brake, what will happen? Sitting in the car is no brake. It won't accident. The one person night, he is driving his motorcycle very forcefully. One person stop. Hey, stop. Where you have motorcycle, there is no light. Stop it. He says, I cannot stop because there is no brake also. The driving without light and without brake. And he says, where are you going so fast? I don't know where I am going. This is the story of each and every person. We are in darkness. We don't know the light of joy. We don't have break or Anushasana. We don't have break, and we don't destination where we are going. When we born, life start, and we growing, become teenager, and ultimately old age. We have to learn discipline, the mind, and goal to nirvana, anubhuti, moksha, self-realization, auto-realization. Know yourself who you are. You are immortal soul. We never born, we never die. Soul never born and die. The air is always there, air never born. The water always there. The earth is always there. Element, 5 elements, and that's his body also composed of 5 elements. We have earth element, we have water element, air element, fire element, and the pressure 5 element, that ether. But apart from the element, the invisible energy we share, that's why we can talk, we can see, we can listen, we can hear, we can think, and we have intellect. What is different between man and animal? Animal also they have to love and procreation. Man also procreation. But purpose of man to know you are the immortal soul, and you have to, this life you have to know, I am that, my nature is Sat Chit Anand. I am immortal, I am cheerful, I am blissful, I am joyful, happy. Fear, unhappiness, sadness, anger cannot make your life fulfilled. When you become angry, you spill the energy. Worries, negativity. So practicing yoga should be positive person, thinking, acting positive. Everything happens sometime. My dear friend, my prayer and good wishes everyone. I know throughout the world they're celebrating International Yoga Day. For me, yoga is every day. Yoga is not only one day, 21 of June. They celebrate, they started. It's nothing to Ichuraki, but practice every day. and live a life plenitude. Respect everyone. Respect your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your friend, and this fellow. Buddha used to call Lord Buddha Ahimsa Paramo Dharma, not to harm one another. Lord Mahavir, the same teacher, Jain Dharma, Buddha Dharma, Hindu Dharma called Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan Dharma, pure yoga. There is no beginning, no end. So, my prayer, my good wishes from my heart to everyone. Om Samno Mitrasam Samno Varunaha Samno Bhavatparyama Samno Indro Brahaspatihi Samno Vishnurukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vayo Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmase Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishami Ritam Vadishami Satyam Vadishami Tanmavotu Tadvaktaramvotu Autu Mam Autu Vaktaram Om Shanti 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 Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva Vidya Davinam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Thank you. Hari Om.